It's okay. We have to, unfortunately, the manner of our job, we have to respond to people on our premises because sometimes people do come here to hurt us. So we just need to, we like to know what's going on.
Why don't you give me an example of that?
I'm not going to. That's not my business to tell you. That's okay, okay?
Yeah, you know what? That doesn't happen. You guys always say that the people come to your police station to hurt you, and nobody's here to hurt you.
Trying to get a reaction out of us, and that's not going to happen right now.
Nobody's trying.
We're going to go on our way.
Welcome back. We have a video out of Canada. I hear a lot of people complaining about Justin Trudeau and how he's ruling over Canada with the iron fist. You have the complainers, and then you have those that stand up and do something about it. True North Transparency records government officials in Canada. He does a really good job as well. As you'll see in this video, make sure to go subscribe to his channel. The Canadian Charter rights are similar to the Constitution, but there are some slight differences. The right to record in public and ask questions is part of their charter rights. This is a short video. You're going to love how he controls the interaction from beginning to end. These cops haven't been spoken to like this since their parents caught them doing something they weren't supposed to. Let's not waste any of your time. Let's get right to the video. I'll give you my final thoughts at the end.
Hi, sir.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm doing well.
What's going on today?
What do you mean?
Why are you recording?
Why am I recording? What's your name and badge number?
My badge number is 30410.
And your name?
I don't need to provide you my name, but I can give you my badge number.
You do need to provide 2 pieces of ID under the Community Policing Act. Yes, you do. It's, how do you pronounce that? Doiron?
Yeah. So how come you're here recording today, sir?
So do you know why you have that on your chest, right?
Sir?
Do you know why you have that on your chest? Just to be very straightforward with you, do you know why you wear your name and your badge number? Because you have to identify to people. What if I can't read?
I don't have my badge number on me, sir. I just have my
Where is it?
right?
It's written on you somewhere, isn't it?
No, I only have my name on.
Okay.
So
So what seems to be the issue?
I need to know what you're recording here today. We had a call for service that you were recording outside our headquarters, so that's just why I'm asking.
So who called for service? Was it one of the officers hanging out in the parking lot?
I don't know who called, but either way, I need to get an understanding as to why you're here.
Why? Am I breaking a law?
No, I'm just asking why you're here.
I'm not breaking a law, so therefore I have no obligation to explain myself to you. I'm working on a little project, as you can see,
Okay.
and you interrupted me while I was narrating, so.
Okay, what kind of project are you working on?
Is that going to change anything?
No, I'm just trying to get an understanding as to why you're here recording.
How are you?
I'm all right. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Your name and badge number?
You'll get it at the end, don't worry.
No. May I have it now?
Yeah, Morocco 30324. Can we help you?
No.
Okay, what you doing here?
Exactly what it appears I'm doing here.
Okay, you're just videotaping the station?
Working on something. I was actually going to go in, but you're closed on the holidays.
We are. Okay, you're free to do that. Nobody's going to bother you, okay?
That's good.
Okay, thank you.
And you don't need to know why?
I don't really know. Seems like that's something you want us to ask, but I'm not going to ask
No.
that.
You know what? I was perfectly fine doing my story alone until I was interrupted. So
That's okay. We have to, unfortunately, the manner of our job, we have to respond to people on our premises because sometimes people do come here to hurt us. So we just need to, we like to know what's going on.
why don't you give me an example of that?
I'm not going to. That's not my business to tell you. That's okay, okay?
Yeah, you know what? That doesn't happen. You guys always say that the people come to your police station to hurt you, and nobody's here to hurt
Trying
you.
to get a reaction out of us, and that's not going to happen right now.
Nobody's trying.
We're going to go on our way, and you can continue doing what you're doing, okay?
That is
Take care,
awesome.
have a good day.
Stop feeding me the horse shit about people are here to hurt you.
Take care and have a good day.
And you, ma'am, next time, Doiron, identify yourself, would you please? You have a great day. 6404 and 6122. Guys, this is what we call the drive and the walk of shame. This guy did good. Fucking A, man, you did good. He's not about to have any of it, but he still did it. This woman here, she wanted to know everything.
Many folks have left comments before saying that our police force use Israeli-style training and tactics. It seems like Canadian cops are not much different than American cops. They still think their presumed authority is unbridled power. Many cops don't even follow their own policies, as you've seen here with the female cop failing to identify when she didn't know her badge number. The reason cops are supposed to identify upon request is because police impersonators happen quite often. The issue with cops identifying has become bigger than it has to be. We could easily fix that by forcing cops to wear their names and badge numbers big on their uniforms like sports athletes. Like I said, it's an easy fix. The solution has been offered here to you guys by yours truly. Hopefully by the year 2099, we the people can figure it out. So many distractions, it's hard to get the word out. You know what I mean? Anyhow, I want to thank you all for tuning in. Make sure to go check out True North Transparency's channel. He knows his rights, and it's important that you guys know yours as well. Because if you don't know your rights, you don't have any rights. Make sure you guys let him know that I sent you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.